The legal battle between the state and former Konkola Copper Mines KCM Provisional Liquidator Milingo Lungu has continued pending the final determination of the Constitutional Court. While the state wants his criminal proceedings before the Lusaka Magistrate Court resume following the Constitutional Court's single-judge decision to hold the said proceedings, Mr. Lungu has made an application opposing the state's submissions. In his submissions, Mr. Lungu says the state's application is incompetently before court as it has been brought as an interlocutory application instead of an appeal as prescribed by law. He says the state, being dissatisfied with Judge Msaluke's ruling, ought to have appealed against the said decision, and such appeal ought to have been accompanied by the record of proceedings that were before the said single judge. Mr. Lungu submits that it is not proper for Attorney General Mulilo as an advocate representing the Director of Public Prosecution DPP in the proceedings to depose to the affidavit in support of the motion. According to him, only the DPP or anyone under her authority has the competence to advert to facts touching on matters relating to the state of criminal proceedings. He says the principle relating to use of civil proceedings to stay criminal proceedings is inapplicable to the circumstances of his matter on grounds that the proceedings before court are constitutional in nature and the Constitutional Court has the power to grant the stay of his criminal proceedings as an interim relief pending determination of his petition. Further, Mr. Lungu believes that if the stay of proceedings is not confirmed, the Drug Enforcement Commission intends to engage in conduct calculated to undermine the proceedings before the Constitutional Court by arresting him in relation to issues that are subject of the non-prosecution agreement entered into with the DPP, which matter is the subject of his petition. Mr. Lungu therefore says the motion by the state to have his criminal proceedings resume constitutes an abuse of the court process. Jairus Jonya, Damo News.